Welcome to the Sustainability Podcast, where we delve into the intersection of technology, industry, and innovation. I'm your host, Jim, and today we'll be looking at a range of developments over the past week that are redefining our technological landscape. Let's dive right in. First of all, artificial intelligence impacts. Today we start with some significant strides in AI. The Linux Foundation has launched the Open Platform for Enterprise AI. This initiative aims to create a standardized, robust framework for AI applications, bringing together leaders from across the technology industries to collaborate on open source solutions. Similarly, Deloitte is investing $2 billion to boost its Industry Advantage program, focusing on AI and cybersecurity to transform client services. Over in the cybersecurity arena, Siemens has introduced Synex Security Guard software, a cloud-based solution that automates the identification of vulnerabilities on the shop floor. This software allows operators with limited cybersecurity knowledge to effectively manage risks. These developments highlight a strong push towards integrating AI across different sectors, emphasizing the importance of innovation in maintaining competitive edges and securing industrial operations. In the world of industrial advancements, shifting our focus there, China's new implementation plan for equipment renewal is truly a game changer for its industrial sector. This plan includes increasing the scale of an equipment investment by 25% by 2027 and enhancing the digital and numerical control capacities in major industries. Meanwhile, on the other side of the globe, Rockwell Automation has enhanced its fixed asset risk predictor software by incorporating generative AI prescriptive work orders. This new feature aims to preemptively address maintenance issues before they lead to downtime, showcasing how AI can truly streamline operations. These initiatives are crucial for boosting productivity and sustainability in the manufacturing sector, reflecting a broader trend towards digital transformation throughout global industries. Next up, in the world of edge computing and infrastructure, ZEDEDA has launched EdgeSync, a solution designed for managing devices in disconnected environments, ensuring operational continuity even during network disruptions. Meanwhile, Microsoft has rolled out an update for Azure IoT Edge, which enhances its capabilities to manage and deploy cloud-native networks and workloads more efficiently at the edge. These advancements are vital as they enable businesses to leverage real-time data processing without the latency associated with cloud computing. Edge computing is becoming increasingly crucial in industries where immediate data processing is critical, such as in manufacturing and particularly in transportation. Both ZEDEDA and Microsoft are at the forefront of this technology, moving the boundaries forward of what's possible on the edge of all of our networks. In the world of energy and in the environment, turning to sustainability, the collaboration between Prime Lithium and IBC in Wyoming represents a significant step forward in environmental technology. Their project not only produces carbon-neutral lithium, but also generates clean water, addressing two critical environmental challenges together. Similarly, FuelCell Energy and Toyota have inaugurated the Tri-Gen system at the Port of Long Beach, California, which uses biogas to generate electricity, hydrogen, and water. These initiatives are exemplary of how companies are leveraging technology to create more sustainable and efficient systems. They not only support the growing electric vehicle market, but also contribute to broader environmental goals, such as reducing carbon emissions and enhancing renewable energy usage. Lastly, let's take a look at enhancements in global security and automation. The White House has issued an update on critical infrastructure security, introducing stringent measures to protect against cyber threats and other technological risks. This new directive mandates more rigorous compliance standards and emphasizes a truly coordinated federal response to emerging threats. Concurrently, Lear Corporation acquired WIP Industrial Automation, and that marks a significant move in automotive manufacturing, which integrates advanced robotics and AI to enhance production capabilities. These developments underscore the growing importance of cybersecurity and automation in maintaining national security and driving industrial innovation forward. That's our quick news roundup of the week at the Sustainability Podcast. Thank you for joining us as we explored how technology advancements are shaping our industry and environmental efforts each week. Remember to subscribe to our podcast and to our newsletters for more insights on how technology is transforming our world. Until next time, keep an eye out on the horizon.